It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to separate audio from video file using Camtasia video editing software without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you love Camtasia video editing software tutorial like this, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post following content about Camtasia topic, you will be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to separate audio file from video file using Camtasia video editing software. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to separate audio from video file on Camtasia step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do, I'm going to drag this particular video clips into my timeline right here. Alright, so you can see this particular video right here. It has to do with MP4 and MP3. So right now I want to separate audio from this video file for proper audio engineer of this particular clip. So for me to do that, I have to make sure I right click on the clip on the timeline. Then after I click on the clip on the timeline, then you have to navigate to separate audio and video. Boom. So within a few seconds, you are going to have the two clips. So the first one is video timeline, while the second one here is the audio timeline. So you can easily edit your audio file in the separate timeline. You can also replace this particular audio file with this particular video file. So this is how to separate audio from video file in Camtasia step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Camtasia tips and tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.